abashubuza barkwegitira mu kibina cyamba guta Street Owners Condominium batabukiro chairman wabo Charles Ngabirano na nakachiko ke ahabwo kubuzabuza sente zabo ezibire ziriyo zo kombeke combeko cyabo otireho no kwenda kwibitaka ryabo
nundi umwe umbarebere minister kandi na nyine video recordings nawe ziri ebiyangarukiremo kanjirati ngo hari abantu bana abagirowe kumushabitaka portoire yagira ati ninte yo kumaza nayirebera abantu bona mbeshwa atabamukakora underground check nashanga ngo background check nashanga ngo itakaneje abantu bingi tije abantu bana
abashubuza aba nabagera ngo bakerundana mu sente ziri kwingana biliyoni mwe hamwe na miliyoni magana konka ngo enkozesa yazo terukucengwa
kandi n'abariya katamusente ekitureta ani sente taro kindi allocation ogine kunkara musente kunkatine kinkorero nambone nyumba abanje kushashana iyo mwari yabo nanye ni karta igwa nkagira ubwoba yes nkagira ubwoba nkanga kushashura sente ntakurena tayi
kwinduro umwenendezi tirutaro kunkabantu nibateka ngo hona nibabasa kugira aho bahika
abashubuzi binji bagizire ngo miliyoni rwenda nshanju bakazishashura contractor kandi utarakoze urumurimo gwa mushashwirwe hotire hona no mubicu wabo owaburizamisha imyaka 2 yona
because they collected 1.2 then the contractor took 970 so statement so nyezi kama kichiko kazo ka finance gatwa kaza kutwa audit to give us a good audit a viable and technically when there was external auditors we have some auditors
account are million 13 no percent there is a fortune of 272 plus million either it was because of the other finance the other treasurer or one kafoko but we are looking at you as an executive because you are supposed to work as a team
aba babire nibenda chairman ayihemwe bwesije bitu akabashomere kiragiro eshitagenderire bashubuzi
negira a member is not entitled to vote at a general meeting unless all money is immediately paid by him or her to the company has been paid.
So how did you go? How did you go kazaho?
Tukakora constitution kama rakusa. Yes, that's constitution.
Michi masana ni to baryaho meeting. Shimye kuba tutari ba member naho.
Member umwe yagira ngo aha mukutu tutantongana true because kutwe twiziraho mu rukiko tukashaba ngo rukiko rukurateho 22 hati 24 twaza kuzo May chairman ukagangara mununga
nujiro tumwanyaho niza kugwana paka hati tuyebuza nunda kugwanira ki akoko inakaje kamwe yakigamba kataru umushara yes waje we can fight back fighting back for what tunda batabare clean o atakatanchi yagamburana nakana naka tubatekaho because our purpose is the same.
Bwanyuma y'abamemba kuremeraho biciriza kutora n'ubuciko busya okucondoza sente zabo na necheremise contractor kora umurimo ogwa muhirwe.
Protege iterimo ka billion 12 zo ne sente nyingi so nco kureba abantu ati bakitiremo amani ahubwo ne bareba ngo ikintu cyaza kugera kicyaza.
Makuru agagasha kwa Paulo turi amureba.